Life from Vibes TV. Today's video we are making oil for the scalp and hair growth. So in this is some extra virgin olive oil we put in the pan, and then underneath the pan is boiled water, and we're going to use the steam of the water to cook this. So right now we have the steam underneath and the water is not touching the pan. We have to use the steam to cook it. So what you're going to need is some extra virgin olive oil, some castor oil, 2 teaspoons, and also some rosemary. So we're going to add that. You can use any carrier oil you wish, like grapeseed oil, etc. But we are going to use castor oil for our carrier oil. Okay, and then we are just going to put our rosemary in, and this will cook, and on low heat the steam will cook it. So we're going to put in our rosemary, and then we're going to cover it, and this will eventually change color, this rosemary, as we cook it from green to brown. When it changes to brown, that's when we know that the ingredients and nutrients from the rosemary has gone into the oil. Okay, so we're going to cover it for now and we shall be back. Okay, so there it is, guys. It's steaming. So far so good. As you can see, if you look closely, you will see it is turning from green to brown. So it must completely change to brown, and then it will be ready. We're still waiting. So there it is, guys. It's ready. As you can see, the brown leaves are now here, and it was bright green. So if I was to compare it, you would see the difference. Okay, so it is ready. I'm just going to bottle it, and I'll be using it on the scalps during loxing to nourish the scalp and rejuvenate and give you a healthy head of hair and scalp treatment. Yes, Life from Vibes TV. So here it is, Life from Vibes TV. The oil is ready to go on your scalp. Nice and brown. The nutrients has come out of the rosemary, and it's ready to use. Just gonna bottle it and use. Yes, so it's ready. The oil has cooled, and I have put an extra bit of rosemary in there. So now it is ready to use. So here it is, my Life from Vibers. It is bottled and ready to go on the scalp. And I will use this before locking or after locking. But I prefer to use it after locking so that it does not get in the way of the gel that I use to lock. But this is great for your scalp and hair.